Hi, welcome to my tour. Welcome to this updated, cozy ranch-style home. This house features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. First floor living at its best. The main level offers a multifunctional floor plan allowing for space to be utilized as needed. This home has been completely updated. Brand new kitchen with stainless steel appliances included. This home has new woodwork throughout and new lighting on all floors. New windows, new bathrooms, new shed, new deck, new carpet. The lower level game room is an added bonus. Perfect space for a teenage hangout room, play space, office, theater room, etc. The lower level offers additional space for storage, laundry room, and a full bath, and access to the garage. Enjoy the beautiful and private backyard, which is fully fenced and perfect for pets and play.